Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 511. Factorize the following expression fully. So if you check these two terms, they are both perfect squares because x to the power 4 is like x squared to the power 2. So it's x squared squared. Okay. And then 81 is a perfect square. It is 9 squared. So we can write this as x squared squared minus 9 squared. So this is difference of two squares. So we have our two brackets, then we have minus, we have plus, and then we're going to put the square roots of these. Square root of x to the power 4 or square root of x squared squared, that is x squared. Square root of 81 is 9. Square root of x squared squared or square root of x to the power 4, that is x squared, and then square root of 81 is 9. Okay, we're asked to factorize fully. So here we've partially factorized because this is still difference of two squares. Okay, the square root of x squared is x, the square root of 9 is 3. So now we do two brackets again here for the difference of two squares here. This one remains as it is. We don't have sum of two squares, it's just the difference of two squares. So this one will remain as it is. So we have minus here, plus here. Square root of x squared is x, square root of 9, 3. Square root of x squared, x, square root of 9, 3. Okay, and then now we have factorized fully.